Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're opening another Hello Kitty Miniverse. Let's see what we get. I'm hoping to find the Bento Box, or really just anything new, honestly. Ooh, is this cereal? Yup. Hello Kitty cereal. That's cute if they really are the bows and things. So this is the table. Snaps in there like that. That's really cute. I've been getting a placemat that's different for each one. And then some stuff is wrapped in tissue paper. Some stuff is in the packaging. Oh my gosh, how cute. That's gonna be adorable. We have the Hello Kitty milk. Raspberries. This is the tongs. And a spreader for cereal. Huh, okay. And this package, all this stuff clips into the capsule. It makes it a stand and it's super cute. I'll show you what it looks like that. So let's clean up and make this one. Easiest instructions ever. Add the resin, dump the cereal, and that's it. It actually doesn't even show you adding the raspberries, nor does it show them in this picture, but it shows them down here. So I guess you could just add a couple on top for accents, keep the rest for something else. And yes, the cereal are Hello Kitty shaped with the bows. That's so cute. I'm assuming we're gonna need probably all of this because there really isn't too much. Also, is it just me? What did they, oh wait, where's the spoon? I didn't see the spoon. It doesn't show the spatula. I wonder if they accidentally gave the spatula instead of the spoon, because that's not on here for this one. And it doesn't make sense why I have a spatula. Let me check the packages again. Yeah, I checked all the packages and no spoon. They're slacking lately. That's several mess ups I've seen lately. This is a really pretty light pink for the milk. I think that's all I'm gonna add for now. It doesn't feel like there's much in there. I guess I'll lay that on the side in case we need more. Lots of air bubbles though. I wonder if this is gonna instantly start sinking. I think that's what it's done before in the past. It kind of starts settling down. Maybe I'll keep a couple in case we need to press them into the top. But you cannot see through the sides of this, so it probably doesn't matter if you mix it up or don't mix it up. Cute. I guess I'll just put them all in there. Why not? And then my table lopsided. Definitely feels like it. I'm gonna add just a couple raspberries. I'm not gonna add too much because I think that might take away from our look that we have here. I'm just gonna maybe place them where there isn't much going on. There's a couple blank spaces over here. Maybe like one over here. Cute. All right, I'm gonna set that outside and I'll be back to show you a better view. Okay, so here is the finished product. You can see some of the red and white through the bowl. Hello Kitty's face is a little pink because of that. This is really cute. I'm bummed that there wasn't a super cute spoon to put in here, but that's okay. I don't know what happens if you email them and tell them, like, you know, you forgot a spoon. Like, do they send you a spoon? I don't know, but they've forgotten little things before. And past couple sets, there was something wrong with my Harry Potter one that was missing stuff like that. So I don't know. But anyways, I give this maybe like a 7 out of 10. Very easy build, super cute. Let me know what you think and stay tuned if you want to see me do more. Bye guys.